Here we are showing the C grade. C grade East Indian Rosewood fingerboards. C grade stands for a minor defects on the fingerboard. That normally go to China, Indonesia, some factories. They make good quality guitar, but little bit lower grade. So you can see a one side knot on it. One side will be clean. There's minor knots on it. Sometimes they have a minor tiny knotty patterns over there. Only one side is clean. You can see a two-tone colors on it. You can see here multiple colors on it. A little bit wider grains. That's also controls the C grade. You can see here a tiny flat zone pattern will pop up on the end of the fingerboard and quarter zone mostly. You can see like the grains is run out a little bit and a tiny knotty patterns on it, but clean on the other side. These all are considered as C grade. You can see here. You can see the color difference. That's all the C grade. So we are showing you what is C grade. So a minor patterns on it. One side, this side is clean, and you can also see here. That's also considered a C grade. These are the small tiny defects. This also C grade because of the color difference on it. It's nothing in this note if this a minor color difference over there. So we put them in the C grade. So we can supply in a finest quality rosewood fingerboards straight from my sawmill with all documentations, with all the CITES documentations, invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, phytosanitary, fumigation certificate, straight my mill, straight going to you. We cut all the logs here, we mill them, we process them. Right there, this going there, the blanks are air drying. Right there, the blocks are air drying, the fingerboard blocks. Then once the blocks are dried, this go into the kiln dryer. After kiln drying them, we mill them. Then we select the grade: A grade, AB grade, BC grade, C grade, D grade. We also have a AAA grade. That's a dark, straight, tight grains. Some of the finest quality guitar makers in Japan, Europe, the finest makers in United States, Canada, they buy. Australia, they buy our tight grains. So if you guys looking for fingerboards, call us. California Exotic Hardwoods, California Luthier supplies. We can ship directly from India with all the documents straight to you. And no minimum order required. You can buy small volume, no problem. If you want to buy a bulk volume, call us. 714-929-1234. Thank you.